students. Today we will discuss the question answers of chapter 7 of standard 7 SS, and today is the third lecture of this chapter. Once again I repeat, standard 7 SS chapter 7 lecture number 3, and today we will discuss the question answers, small question answers. Okay, number 1, first question: what is the shape of India? What is the shape of India? My dear student, we know the shape of India. When we consider about north, it is narrow. In south, it is narrow, and middle part from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, that is wide. Okay. In Kashmir, it is narrow. In south, Tamil Nadu and Kerala, it is narrow. But in a center from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, that is little wider, broad. Okay. So, what is the shape of India? Answer: the shape of India is narrow in north and south. In north and in south it is narrow. Okay, નાનો ભાગ છે ને, so narrow in north and south and broad in the middle. Okay, so we can say it's just like a two triangular. Okay, two triangular. Okay, in opposite direction we can say like that also, but here we have to write down what is the shape of India. It means in north and south it is narrow, and in a center, in middle, it is broad. The shape of India is narrow in north and south and broad in the middle. Got it? Next, list the important Himalayan peaks with their heights. List out the important Himalayan peaks with their heights. Which are the important main peaks? Which are the important and main peaks of Himalaya? And we have to write down with their height. With their height. Okay. List out the important Himalayan peaks of India with their height. Answer: the important Himalayan peaks of India are number 1, Mount Godwin Austen, and the height of this Mount Godwin is 8,611 meters. Okay, here we are not saying Mount Everest, because Mount Everest is not the part of India. Okay, if we consider about the highest peak, Mount Everest is there, but Mount Everest is not the part of India. Mount Godwin Austen, that is the highest peak of India. Highest peak of India. Okay. Number 1, Mount Godwin Austen. What is the height? 8,611 meters. Second one is Kanchenjunga. It is 8,518 meters. At some places you will find 8,598. At some places it is written. Okay, so don't worry. Okay, but here I have written 8,518 because it is given in our textbook. Okay, so Mount Kanchenjunga's height is 8,518 meters. Third one is Badrinath, that peak, the height of that peak is 7,138 meters. Okay, and Nanda Devi, the height of this peak is 7,817 meters. Got it? So here I have written 4 main peaks of Himalayas. Okay, which are the part of India. Okay, Mount Godwin 8,611 meter, Kanchenjunga 8,518 meters, Badrinath 7,138 meter, and Nanda Devi that is 7,817 meters. Got it? Now third question. Which river flows? Which rivers flow from Himalayas? Which are the main rivers of North India? Same question. Okay. If I ask which are the main rivers of North India, otherwise which rivers flow from Himalaya? Same answer. Okay. Don't worry. Okay. So which rivers flow from Himalayas? Answer. The rivers like Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra, Sindhu, Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Bias, Satluj, Kosi, okay, Gandak, Ghagra. So many rivers are there. They flow from Himalayas. Here I have written answer. Here I have written answer. Rivers like Ganga, that everybody knows. Yamuna, that everybody knows. Okay. Then Sindhu, Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Beas, Satluj, Gomti, Gagra, Koshi, and Brahmaputra are the main rivers of which flow from Himalayas. Got it? Once again, I repeat: the rivers like Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra, Satluj, Jhelum, Ravi, Bias, okay, Kosi, Gagra, Gomti. Wow, these are the main rivers flow from Himalayas. Got it? Now next one. Which are the main lakes of India? Just I said I had given this question as a homework, but still I am giving answer here. Okay, in my last video I said please write down the main lakes of India. Okay, because in your book, in our book, it is given two columns are there: main rivers of North India and the main lakes of India. Both uh, gap is given. Okay, so we have to write down. That's why I have written here. The names of the lakes situated in India. So which are the main lakes of India? Which are the main lakes of India? Answer. The main lakes of India are Sambar, Wular, Nainital, Bhimtal, Chilka, Koleru, Pulikat, Dal. Okay. Once again I repeat: Sambar, that is in Rajasthan. Wular and Dal both are in Kashmir. Okay. So Sambar, Wular, Nainital, Bhimtal, Chilka, Koleru, Pulikat, and Dal are the main lakes of India. Dear student, my next question is: which are the extreme corners of India? Which are the extreme corners of India in each direction? It means in a north what is there, in south what is there, in west what is there, and in a east what is there. Four directions are there now. So what is located in northern side of India, southern side of India, western and eastern side of India? That's why it is given which are the extreme corners of India in each direction. Okay. So answer. The extreme corners of India in each direction are, which are they? See, Kashmir in north, and Kanyakumari in south. Okay, Kashmir state is in north and Kanyakumari, that is in south. Then Arunachal Pradesh in the east. And Dwarka in the west. Got it? Kashmir, Kanyakumari, got it? This side Arunachal Pradesh and Gujarat means Dwarka. Got it? Huh? So which are the extreme corners of India? So all four directions are given. In north Kashmir, in south Kanyakumari, in east Arunachal Pradesh, and in the west Dwarka are there. Got it? So the extreme corners of India in each direction are Kashmir in north and Kanyakumari in south, Arunachal Pradesh in east, Arunachal Pradesh in east, and Dwarka in west. Got it? Next one. Next question. Which are the three ranges? Which are the three ranges of the Himalayas? Just I said na, when I explained the chapter first video, that Himalayan ranges are divided into three divisions. Okay, China side that is called Greater India, Greater Himalaya, then Central Himalaya, and towards India that is called Shivalik. Okay, so three divisions are there. Which are the three ranges of the Himalayas? Which are the three ranges of the Himalayas? In your textbook last page, last paragraph is there. Okay, when it is given a physiography revision and when it is given explanation about the Himalayan ranges, last paragraph it is there. There are three distinct and parallel ranges of Himalayas. There are three distinct and parallel ranges of Himalayas. Number one, northernmost range towards China. Northernmost range towards China is known as the Greater Himalayas. The northernmost range towards China is known as the Greater Himalayas. The Central Himalayas in the center. And third part, the range towards India is called Shivalik range. Okay, so Greater Himalaya, Central Himalaya, and Shivalik range. Got it? Next question. Why are deserts sparsely populated? We have less population in the desert. Why? Because we know there we are not getting water. Okay, scarcity of water, and whatever we need for daily routine. Okay, basic goods, that is less. Okay, basic goods are less, and scarcity of water, very few people they stay in the deserts. Okay, રણમાં લોકો કેમ ઓછા હોય છે? પાણી ના હોય, અને સેકન્ડ થિંગ, જે જીવન જરૂરિયાતની જે વસ્તુઓ હોય ને એ ઓછી છે. ઓકે, વાય આર ડેઝર્ટ્સ સ્પેર્સલી પોપ્યુલેટેડ? ઓકે, આન્સર, due to the scarcity of water. ઓછું પાણી. Due to the scarcity of water and unavailability of basic goods. Deserts are sparsely populated. Why? Due to the scarcity of water and unavailability of basic goods, deserts are sparsely populated. Okay, next one. Which are the famous spots of West Coast Plain? Which are the famous spots of West Coast Plain? Answer: Kandla, Mumbai, Mangalore, Calicut, and Thiruvananthapuram. Once again I repeat: Kandla, Mumbai, Mangalore, Calicut, and Thiruvananthapuram are the famous spots of West Coast Plain. Okay, which are the famous spots? So answer: Kandla, Mumbai, Mangalore, Calicut, and Thiruvananthapuram are the famous spots of West Coast Plain. Next time we will learn more question answer. Thank you.